So let me just give you an example. In last November 2019, a group of investigative journalists published the so-called China leaks on the alleged existence of re-education camps in Xinjiang province. Allegedly, hundreds of thousands of people have gone through these camps of involuntary internment where they're being re-educated politically, including through ill treatment. Now, imagine China asking for the extradition of these Western journalists to China because they have disclosed secret information. Now, would we say that these people, if they don't want to go to China, they're evading justice? Do we think they would be getting justice in China? I think in both cases, the answer is no. Now, what makes you think Julian Assange is going to get justice in the United States, in a court in East Virginia, where the jury is selected from a population where 85% are employed by CIA, NSA, DOD, or DOS, where every single national security defendant is adjudicated by the same judge behind closed doors to the total exclusion of the public based on secret evidence? We're thinking there's going to be a fair trial in a court where no one has ever been acquitted, where people have been forced to make deals to avoid 35, 40 years in prison because they know the jury is already biased. And when we see now how the British judiciary, who has a long tradition of rule of law, a proud tradition of that, has delivered a complete travesty of a trial, where the defendant has not had the right to prepare his defense, where he has not had access to his own lawyers, where he's been held in isolation for months, where the UN standards say that any solitary confinement beyond 15 days amounts to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment, and where he has been publicly insulted by judges as narcissists without any basis, where we have court judges refusing to consider objections for conflicts of interest. Even in the UK, he's not going to get a fair extradition trial. So this is no longer in the hands of the judiciary. The judiciary is unwilling or unable to deal with this according to the rule of law. This is now in the hands of the public and in the hands of the media to inform the public about what is going on.